In the Middle Ages, the closest thing to happy ever after was only true for the king, and still that barely ever happened. Back then, for serfs and peasants, the closest thing they could ever get to happiness was poor and brutal. But that was for today. That's today thinking. Back then, that was the best thing they ever had. Most of them only lived up for 21 years old, and usually died at age 21. Then the worst thing that could happen for a peasant or a serf is going out the boundary line that the king has set out for the lords to own. And once they're out, they can be from anything from raped to brutally beaten, tortured. Anything could happen when they're outside the boundary line of the towns. But then it could be not as brutal, like so. But life wasn't always good back then, even for the king. Like so. I'm so rich. Yes. So, in it, the best life wasn't even the best life. The king could have many problems, and even with that, the king can still die in many more ways. So, life wasn't the best back then, but then again, that's life.